Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Display Settings. Right-click an empty area on the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once the panel appears, make sure you're viewing the monitor you want to change if multiple screens are connected. You should quickly note the current scale and resolution values so you can revert if needed. This saves time and prevents guesswork. Now, focus on the Scale and Layout section. This is where you'll make the visible text larger or smaller for everything in Windows 10. You'll change text size using Scale and Resolution. First, pick a scale percentage from the drop-down. 100%, 125%, 150% are common choices, because this scales text and app elements simultaneously for consistency. If items look blurry after scaling, try a different resolution. Native resolution usually gives the sharpest result. Once you pick new values, click Apply. Make sure to read any prompt. Some changes need you to sign out and back in or reconnect the display to fully apply them. Finish by fine-tuning and knowing how to fix common problems. If the preset scales aren't right, open Advanced Scaling Settings to enter a custom number like 110%. This helps when intermediate sizes feel best. Once done, sign out and back in if Windows asks. This ensures all apps render correctly. If text or apps appear blurry after changes, revert to the recommended settings or disable custom scaling. That usually restores clarity. If problems persist, restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.